You are forbidden from my master's domain, mortals! Fool mortals! Hurl yourselves into your own demise!
I'm tired of being what you want me to be, feeling so faithless, lost under the surface. Don't know what you're expecting of me, put under the pressure of walking in your shoes.
By the Fire Lord's command, you too shall perish! Fool mortals! Hurl yourselves into your own demise! Fool mortals! Hurl yourselves into your own demise!
Every step that I take is another mistake to you. And every second I waste is more than I can take. I've become so numb, I can't feel you there. Become so tired, so much more aware. I'm becoming this. All I want to do is be more.
Fool mortals! Hurl yourselves into your own demise!
I know I may end up failing too, but I know you were just like
I enact my master's will! I am he who bars the gate!
I've become so numb, I can't feel you there. Become so tired, so much more aware. I'm becoming this.
Fool mortals! Hurl yourselves into your own demise!
Less like I've become so numb, I can't feel you there. Tired of being what you want me to be. I've become so numb, I can't feel you there. Tired of being what you want me to be.
I enact my master's will! I am he who bars the gate! Fool mortals! Hurl yourselves into your own demise! Fool mortals! Hurl yourselves into your own demise! By the Fire Lord's command, you too shall perish! filth the Master's keep is forbidden.